Hi, ma'am. We are group number 10. We have designed an web application called as the Safe Snap. We would like to introduce you to the city of Waterloo. This is a dream Waterloo city. We try to move in the direction. We basically try to attend to the two goals of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, which was issued last year. We attend the goal number 11, which is very essential for our project. We try to build a sustainable city as well as a community. We have this goal 9 for improving the infrastructure. Just for a fun, I've just added our pictures. So you can find the globe having solar panels. We'll be building this. We'll help them to build this by directing them what to do. So this is basically our UI design. So this was designed using the Figma. You can click the Save Snap button to get introduced. First, let me just explain the features of it so that we can be clear that what we are building. First, we are trying to have two, three options over here, like the basic authentication page. We register, we sign in, or we post picture without a sign up, so that we can attract many users or customers. So let me just navigate to the next page by clicking this sign in with email to join a community. So you just type in the email password which was already registered here. You sign in. So this is a community page where we have performers. So let me just show you the feed. What is happening? So uh, we might be aware that there are snow slips during the snow time. There may be situations where the road is closed, but being a walker, we just walk through it and we return back. So this kind of happenings uh, will basically waste our time. So what I've created is we are creating like three category, four, five categories. Whatever photos you can find, you can click it and post it here. And once you post it here, you can see that these kinds of four tags have been done. Since you have posted a photo of at a particular location, we capture the metadata of those photos, having the location, and we try to alert the other users who are walking to the same way. So let me just log out and show you how we are collecting the information. So you are taking a picture right now where there is a snow slip. You upload it from your camera directly, or you can drop file. Once you have dropped file, we try to say them put some tags. These tags are very important for us, and we also tell them to put public or private tags. If you put private, you can store all your private photos in your phone memory itself. If you have a public, you can post it so that the other people can use it. So I've gone to the public tag. You can see that this gets posted under the tag snow slip. So when any other user crosses this place, they must be alerted. So this is generally built for improving the community's infrastructure. So this is the private. This cannot be seen outside. This must be present only in your phone storage. So let me just go back to the authorization page. So this is it. We have designed some use cases which I would like to. All the use cases are over, but fully developed use cases, I'll just share you some. So this is the use cases which we designed in the visual paradigm. These are the main. We update the danger zone, whatever I explained you. We collect the city of Waterloo's data. There is a system where we process the data. There is a database and every other thing. I would like to share one other important data source. So this is the city of Waterloo's data. I'm basically living at the King Street. So this is the King Street, and we collect the strip of data. This is the strip we collect from here. And we also have plans for expanding this to the city of Toronto. We can find data sets all over Canada. It's very useful for us. So this is what we are just in the initial stages. So thank you, ma'am. Thank you for listening. Thank you. Yeah.